Just in
There's
time
your
for the
coffee.
coffee. I know. Alarm. Good morning. Good morning. Nobody on this stream yet, but
Yeah. It's all right. I ain't all that worried about it right now.
Yeah.
Zach Arbucci was just making fun of me because I have like 8 followers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was humorous.
On X or
On YouTube, I think. I honestly don't know. I think on YouTube.
Nice. Oh, excuse me.
Oy. Huh. All right, we got 9 minutes until market open. So, what are you thinking for the day?
Yeah.
I'm kind of blank.
Yeah, at the moment, just more sideways, I guess. That's all we've been doing.
Yeah, pre-market, it's just been sitting below that midnight price.
Yeah, it looks like we popped up momentarily there at 8:20 a.m. Below the view ups, below everything. I got NQ open here. Let's see, MES. I did take 2 trades last night, and I scalped up 134 in this instant funded account. The one that I took the loss in yesterday.
All right.
So clawed it back a bit.
A wee little bit.
Zach actually he's short right now, looking like.
Yeah, I think Zach has been talking about shorts for a little while now. I got the news feed on next to me right now with the all the nonsense with the Fed.
Is there stuff happening right now for the Fed?
No, just listening to brief Fed announcement. Buoy.
Gotcha.
I'm not going to let it influence anything that I do. I'm going to keep everything really small and really tight today.
Yeah. Yeah, probably good idea to keep the stream short and get off the charts early.
I'm not planning on trading past whenever I feel like it. It depends on the movement for this morning, but in all honesty, I'm not putting any size on anything in any account.
Yeah, so ES is trading a little bit. We're just popping up here a bit to previous day low.
Yeah, but New York hasn't opened yet, so
yeah.
So this means precisely jack and shit.
Those rules.
68, 42, 75. Woo! Can you hear my news feed coming through the speaker at all?
I wasn't sure there. I thought I did for a moment, but now I don't.
A little.
Yeah, not right now.
So I think next week I'm going to be streaming with Arbucci on Prop for a Match.
Oh, nice. Sweet.
That'll be interesting. He's going to be talking about all this weird technical stuff, and I'm just going to go, I like VWAP.
Yep, VWAP's good.
I like VWAP. It's not like excessively simple here. We got never mind.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting in on one of. I might be able to get in there someday. But I
Why
just
do you
don't
say
think
someday?
Well, because they always say in the stream, like, oh, well, we only want successful people who are taking payouts. Successful
You
traders.
haven't taken any payouts yet?
I've taken one payout only.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, I've passed a ton of evals though lately.
I mean, that's step number one right there.
Yeah. So, and I have, now I have what? Well, I have two top ones that are instant fundeds, but I've got one TPT and one Lucid. Yeah. And I have a couple other Lucids that are ready to pass. So
very good. Close. It's funny, you're getting more accounts, I'm getting less.
Yeah.
Just this time of year with everything going on with all the prop firm stuff, Project X doing their rug pull, all that. I'm like, hey, I can't leave that much money in prop firms. I'm gonna start pulling this out, and this. I mean, like I said it before about, like there's some of them that aren't going like top one and top step, take profit.
Yeah,
they're not going anywhere. But like all the other prop firms that I've seen pop up over the past year, I'm not comfortable with leaving that much money in there.
Yeah. Yeah, my closest account to a payout is my take profit trader. It's up 1,500. So I think I need to get to 21, and then anything above 2,100, I can get.
I was just gonna say, is it 3,000 or 2,000 for the payout level?
Yeah, I think it's you got to get past the buffer, which is 2,100, and then after that, I think I don't know exactly. No, they always say like daily payouts or whatever, but
yeah, I mean that's all fine and good. You can offer daily payouts. I'm not taking them.
Yeah.
There's absolutely no way.
And I don't think they have consistency rules either, right? For
not in the funded.
Yeah,
they do have a consistency rule in the eval, but once you're funded, there is no consistency rule. And for me, that's great because I have itty bitty teeny tiny losers, and then I let my winners go and add to them. So that's the problem that I was having with top one.
Mm-hmm. Where you get that banger day and then screws up your consistency really bad.
And I get it. I can put in those take profits and automatic account closures, but honestly, just managing so many accounts like that has turned into a full-time job. Yeah. And I don't no, just no.
Yeah.
I'm happy putting the money into a personal account. What was that?
Market open.
Oh, market. Now let's see what it does.
What's gold doing this morning? Gold's selling off right now.
Gold's selling off. ES is going up slightly. Oh, no, it's not. Now it's going down. It was up. It
and
was
it
down.
keeps going down. And YM's going up.
All right. Well, I'm going to follow my rules today and sit here and wait for a little bit.
Right? Pretty wild. Pretty wild price action right now.
Yeah, this would be, if I was in a trade, this would be chopping me up right now.
Oh, yeah.
So yesterday I was thinking gold was going to go down and it went up. Today I'm thinking it's going to go up. It's probably going to go down. What you got marked up there? Fair value gap?
Yeah, that's just fair value gap that I had seen. Just a pre-market fair value gap. So yeah, look at this volatility. This is pretty gross.
Yeah, today may be a snow day.
A snow trade day.
Take a snow day and just stay off these charts. It just erased that bullish fair value gap at 68.40.50. Woof. Woof.
Was that? Were you watching the 1 minute where you said you saw a fair value gap get erased?
No, 5 minute.
Okay.
There was a bullish fair value gap. I don't even remember where it was.
68, 40, 43.50. Interesting. So we got two people in YouTube right now. Good morning, whoever's there. two quiet viewers. No one's commenting yet. They're probably looking at this price action, being like, "What the heck? Down, up, down, up." YM was up, and now it's back down to the lows. Also,
ES and MES are both just farting around. Oof. But we're only 4 minutes into the open, so
right? Yeah.
I think I'm gonna be done working by 10:30 today.
Yeah, no need to be trapped up in this. Yeah, Dow popped up 75 points and then shortly after turned around and went lower. So live your purpose. Hey, good morning. That's a new name I haven't seen.
Live your purpose 3497.
Yeah. New candle on the Dow, heading lower. ES heading lower.
I mean, looking at this price action, I'm very tempted to take a short, but
I know, right? But so we have a bearish divergence currently. If ES doesn't break the low here of 68.34, then NQ's clearly made a new low. So that would be like a bearish divergence between the two.
We do have orders on book at 68.30.50. 68.31 has 291 orders on it right now.
Well, we swept it there. Boom. Okay. It's behind a bit, but they both made a new low, so there goes the divergence anyways. Where are you messaging, or where are you living in Live Your Purpose? Where are you coming from? We're in Vancouver, Canada area. I am anyways. Nick's usually down in Costa Rica, but you're in Detroit right now, right?
Yep. Hence the knit hat. It's freaking cold here.
Oh yeah.
My tan's gonna disappear shortly.
It's so funny, we call it a toque in Canada.
You call what?
Your hat is a toque.
Oh, all right.
Touque or TOQUE. Toque.
Dallas, Texas. All right.
Nice.
You an oil man?
Dallas, Texas. Very cool. Okay, well, hey, they bought it up. There's Terrence. Hey, good morning.
Terrence.
So that's 2 of our 3 viewers. I wonder who the third one is.
Hey, look at
that. I didn't send it to Twitch today. I don't know. I don't know if there's any point.
Don't even bother.
Because like we literally get our one scam viewer and that's it. Wow, what a bounce.
It was a nice bounce. Still don't want to be in it. It's only 938.
What a wick.
All right, so we got...
That's an 8-point bounce on ES.
Wow.
And 46 points on NQ. Wonder who our third viewer is. Say something in the chat, please. Just curious.
Yeah, who the heck are you? What are you doing? Stalker.
Silently in the background.
So for all 3 people watching this, it's FOMC day. If you're trading anything, keep it really small. You don't need to take a trade. And if you're long, I hope you got in at like 68.30.50.
Yeah. Oh, we got a new bearish fair value gap that... Oh, no, it didn't form, actually, because that wick took it out.
All right.
I needed to trade with someone who is calm and trades with a plan and not just jumping in and out of trades. I blew 2 PA accounts yesterday and 1 eval, so I need all the calm I can get to make a trade.
Well,
Yeah,
you know what?
that's rough.
You're in the right place for that. We are the most boring traders you will ever see on a live stream. Nobody's bouncing around doing anything stupid. Well, maybe sometimes some stupid stuff, but
But not intentionally. No.
nah, yeah, it's never intentional.
But yeah, just a voice of reason is try to forget about what happened and definitely don't let that affect your trades, and
Oh,
keep your size down, because today isn't going to be the best day typically for price action. So be careful today, definitely.
and honestly, you
As you
don't
can
need
see
to
by the opening price so far.
take price action is not great right now. And I mean, let's be honest, you don't need to take a trade every day. Right now, we're bouncing between New York and midnight VWAP. Price action is pretty much just garbage. So, opening range isn't set yet.
Dow just made a new high, which is pretty good for ES anyways. A new high since the open anyways, slightly. Now if it turns around and heads back straight back down, that's not the best thing. Well, we're inverting a fair value gap that I had earlier. So technically we could have that midnight open trade that I sometimes do.
We are
But I would
above,
be waiting for a pullback first.
and we're right. We just got above both New York and midnight VWAP.
Yeah. First off, we need a closure above 68.46.50, and then I'd be looking for sort of a retest.
Just a little bit. Come on. Get this opening range set.
Yeah, one more minute here. Half a minute. Ooh, Dow's rejected pretty hard off sort of the highs.
Oh, we got a whole mess of orders up at 68.50.
Oh yeah, 167.
613 on. We got 613 on MES
Oh yeah.
at 68.49.75.
Wow. There's a 235 down at 68.30 also. So we didn't get that inversion there. So and we're I guess we're green lighted to trade now at 6:45.
Opening range is set.
Yep.
Mark this off real quick. Man, that wick down to 68.30 was
Looking back, beautiful buy, right?
yeah. But who wants to risk that?
Yeah. If you had for some reason that price in your mind for an entry, I didn't look that far back. I'm gonna take a quick look at the hourly and see.
Well, it looks like it's trying to get through opening range high. It's just tickling it right now, so let's see if we get
might be inverting this fair value gap here if we can hold this level again.
and
there's a little bit of space to midnight open still.
There's no algos on that 604 orders.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah,
169. There's no algos up there, so
hey Aldo and Darren, morning guys. Yes, be having some PA. Yeah, good price action. Some scam PA, right? Just be careful today, guys. We got that FOMC price action.
all right, just really broke through opening range high.
Yeah.
Ooh, mama.
Oh, it's going to engage midnight open here. So that inversion, yeah, it's pretty much done. So that idea is gone because we didn't invert that, and then basically we just ripped right through it. So didn't get the entry opportunity.
There will be plenty of opportunities to take a trade here. There's no need to jump into anything.
NQ has the same opportunity here, rejected actually off of the fair value gap.
Did ES just rejected off a fair value gap as well, didn't it? At 50?
Yeah, and that's also exactly at the midnight open price there.
So generally, you're looking for a bullish fair value gap, and then for price action to go back to midnight price. Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, so depends, right? So in this case, because we're below midnight open, I'm looking for a bearish one to get inverted. So when it's a bearish one and then the price closes above the bearish one, then I'm looking for it to pull back into the bearish. Originally was a bearish, but turned inverted for an entry, and then towards the midnight open price. So, but yeah, if we were above midnight open, I'd be looking for a bullish one to get inverted and then take a trade towards midnight open, and vice versa. So, and look at that rejection on NQ too. Actually, YM and ES are looking a little bit stronger at the moment. So we're getting a bit of a conflict here. We got, YM, ES looking a little more bullish. NQ's printing a bearish candle currently.
ES is still bouncing a little bit. Looking at the 5 minute, we got 4 green candles all in a row, lined up like happy little ducklings.
Yeah, they are looking pretty happy right now. Minus the first candle with that wick, but those wicks. Yeah. But the bodies are all lined up real nice.
I will take it.
You'll take a long or what?
Maybe, but not quite yet. I'm waiting for a little bit of a pullback here.
And we do
Watch,
have
this is
that
gonna
midnight
this is
open
gonna
and
turn
bearish.
into an FOMC day where everything just goes higher all day.
Yeah. Darren says ES is setting up for a slam down in his opinion. Yeah, we definitely could be. Oh, YM here's just about to take the pre-market high.
Yeah, I'm kind of with Darren on this one.
Sort of double high rejection off midnight open price there on the ES. NQ has a bearish fair value gap up, or sorry, YM has a bearish fair value gap up at the highs here, which it's kind of rejecting off currently also. Be patient for candles.
Gold still lifting a little bit.
Can you
But
hear
again,
that
we're
music at
looking.
all? I have it running, but it's like super
I
quiet.
do. Yeah, I can hear it. The gold's lifting a bit, but the midnight price is 42.36.
Oh yeah,
And it just hit a bearish fair value gap.
yeah. Kind of rejecting off there a bit.
Still not looking at shorts yet.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like there's two fair value gaps above sorry. Never mind. This is YM. My bad. I was accidentally
There's
switched
two
back.
on gold too.
Oh yeah. Huh. Interesting. Ooh, NQ's just taking the New York. Sitting on the New York, trying to take it lower.
Yeah, ES is sitting on the midnight, trying to take it lower. It did wick down to New York at 43. So Darren was correct. It did come down a bit.
Yeah, rejected off that midnight
5
open
points,
pricing.
5.5 points.
The way it's looking, I'm tempted to take a short on the Dow right now. Dow's like looking the most like the strongest, but with ES and NQ kind of rolling over.
You on the December contract for YM? Wow. All right.
Yeah,
Got a bullish fair value gap on YM right now.
yeah. We just started making a new candle there, so it inverted that bearish one. So that's actually pretty. Looks like we're kind of bullish actually. Still, we're just starting to make. Oh yeah, there we go, popping up a bit more.
Looking like a little bit of a ripper.
Yeah. Maybe too many people had that short idea right there. They're like, nope. Market's like, no, not that easy. Because look at NQ. NQ's well below New York. ES is like sitting on New York now.
And YM is just climbing.
Yeah. It always is. It's kind of its own beast,
Yeah.
but can also it reverses pretty strong when it does. Like, so that's the one thing about it is usually if you start seeing some reversal type action, it's not lying and it's gonna go.
If it starts to reverse, just get out.
Yeah. Or wait for it to start reversing and then get in. I just gotta run to the bathroom. Sorry, I'll be right back.
Just hit that reverse button on your trading view. Now it looks like gold's coming back to towards the open price. I think today is going to be a very short day. Keith, you know what? That is an adult decision right there. You made $100. You locked it out. You're green for the day. Congratulations. You're smarter than most. Yeah, dealing with this price action today, you are absolutely correct. This is a load of bullshit at its best. So I have my nephew just walked in the house. He's going to be learning how to trade today. So teaching a 20-something-year-old how to trade is going to be interesting to say the least. see if they can make some decent decisions. Come on over, buddy. Come over on this side. Trying to teach the young ones to make adult decisions here. No, Keith, thank you. That's just good decision making, and everybody needs to see that stuff. So YM right now is above a fair value gap. It's still bullish. This 5-minute candle is only 1 minute in, and it's just bouncing around. A couple little points here. Gold's popping back up towards the 9. Dave is off somewhere taking a dump. Oh, there he is. All right.
Hey, Keith, good morning. Didn't miss you.
I was just saying, Keith made an adult decision. He locked himself out, and he's done for the day on FOMC day.
Beautiful.
I do love seeing that. And my nephew is here with me. He's learning how to trade today.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Well, starting it anyway.
Well, welcome to the adventure. Prop firms are your friend.
Prop firms are your friend.
At this point, anyways.
Yeah, I mean, you're just starting off, you definitely need to play with other people's money and not your own.
Mm-hmm.
And by other people's money, I mean in a simulated environment after you don't go taking friends and relatives' money and going, hey, I could trade that for you. You lose a lot of friends that way.
Looks like Austin's in a short.
In ES, I take it?
Yeah, I think so. MES, yeah.
It's not a bad idea.
Yeah, he's in a bit of drawdown. He bought it at the the most recent break in the New York, or he sold it. Sorry, at the most recent break in New York. So that last 5-minute candle, I think.
And ES is, oh, that's not looking good for him. There's a bunch of orders up above. Got 492 orders at 68.56.
Yeah.
I'm not going to fade him or anything, but I don't like that trade much.
Yeah, Terrence, you're totally right. It's great to have some people that are successful and to learn from.
I mean, we do all right here. Yeah, I've actually, I just saw a thing from Tanner yesterday where he was like, any 20-something-year-old who is going to have, you know, an older person tell him to start trading, don't listen to them. They're retarded.
Really?
And I immediately, and it was right after I talked to Joshua about trading and like learning how to do it.
Yeah.
But we're going to try and give them some good base knowledge to go by, like trading off of VWAP, being in the right direction.
Yeah.
We're not going to get into any of the weird nonsense that you find on the YouTube most of the time.
Yeah, Fibonacci's and all the crazy.
We're going to trade ICT. First, we got to kidnap you. I told Mike from Traders Post just a little while ago, I have the ICT t-shirt, so I can't trade.
Nice.
I'm gonna get some hate mail from everybody who follows that specific trading style. So looking at MES, we do have a triple bottom at 68.46.50. Gold's still pushing a little bit higher. It looks like it's trying to break through VWAP. Just 2 points up. If it can break through that VWAP, I may take a gold trade. Maybe. Dave, you got your screen up, right? Yeah. Where's your VWAP line? Is it the blue line on top?
No, that's a previous day one. That might be inconsequential at the moment. I'm gonna delete those. Oh, there's a lot of them there. It's Project X ones. So I just have the New York view up on right now, and this is actually the YM still. So
I thought you got everything transferred over from Project X to Tradeabate.
just not top one futures.
Oh, okay. But your Lucid accounts are all there now, right?
Yeah, they are. Yeah. This is my ES chart here. Yeah, rejecting off that bearish fair value gap up at the midnight open price there again. Third time. It looks like the 200 EMA is right there also. Oh, we're just above the 200.
I just pulled up the YM chart.
Yeah.
I'm going to start looking at YM every morning. This price action is the only thing good happening right now. And we had a bullish crossover of the midnight and New York at 950. And it's just been ripping up since then.
Yeah, it's true. Yep.
So I'm going to wait for the next pullback on this. And if it's continuing higher, I'm going to end up taking a trade on that.
Yeah, so if you're in the micros, it's I think it's 50 cents per point, $5 per point on the minis. So,
all right.
And you know, there's no decimal or no ticks, right? So just a rough idea. Yeah, they don't have any decimals, right? So it's just a solid number. Moves pretty fast.
Yeah, I am not hating this price action here. Why have I never looked at YM before? Oh, because I'm an idiot. That's why.
Well, you know, you gotta get comfortable with it, right?
It's the same thing. Like when I first traded NQ, my butt cheeks were puckered up and clenched the entire time because of the price action. I was so used to ES.
Yeah. But ES is looking a little bit better than NQ currently, and you know, and that's related to the YM being so strong right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up my screen real quick for just a second.
Sure, yeah.
Just for an in-person tutorial. What's going on here? All right, so you see this here?
Yeah.
The bottom part is right here is the beginning of the New York. So at 9:30, it starts the VWAP. It's a volume weighted average price. As the price goes up, the volume weighted average price goes along with it. This is midnight price right here. Once these two cross over, there's generally speaking a big movement in whichever direction it crosses. So you see this green channel in here. it's showing at that crossover, most likely it's going to go up. If I was looking at YM when this happened, I would have taken a long probably here, maybe somewhere up here. You don't generally take a trade immediately when that happens because the price action will dictate whether or not it stays crossed over, because it can cross and then go right back to an open channel. Right now, all of this going up, this is great price action, but again, it's high of day. I don't really want to take a trade at the high of day because if this turns around, it's going to bite me in the ass. So I'm just going to wait for a pullback. We've got a fair value gap here. If it can pull back to that fair value gap, not get rid of this, I'll take a long. Wait for it to go back up. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
the way I explained it.
All right.
Lots of big weird words there though. Probably newish.
I mean,
words.
this is day number 1. So
Yeah.
after we're off stream, we're going to set up a couple of charts and a prop firm account. Probably
Nice.
just one of the Apex ones to begin with.
Yeah.
And see if we can learn some risk management. Pull up TradingView if you get a chance.
Yeah, and maybe it's not a bad idea to start going down the rabbit hole of YouTube to just kind of understand what all these terms are, right?
The one thing I say to everyone about YouTube is if you're the heck is going on here? There it is. If you're on YouTube, pay attention to who you're listening to. For fuck's sake. I've seen so much garbage on YouTube that just horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to Dave. He's a smart guy. Listen to Randy, Austin, Evan, Arbucci, people like that.
Which network is yours?
Set up 87. Yeah, 391.
Doesn't look like it wants to give us a pullback.
Height. I didn't choose it. What was that, Dave?
It doesn't look like it wants to give us a pullback yet.
It really doesn't.
I don't know. Sometimes YM doesn't really give much pullbacks on the rip and higher.
And that's okay. I mean, it's like I said before, it's FOMC day, so
Better to be safe than sorry. Anyways, at this point. Okay, we might be getting one here. Bit rejected off previous day's VWAP, and we're kind of like just above previous day high and value area low, or previous day low, value area low. Sorry.
yeah, this might be the pullback that I'm gonna get. I just took a long on it at 39. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, it went in at 40.
Nice. There you go. 5 points.
Just set my stop loss. My stop loss down at 25, so got a good 15-point stop loss.
Just formed another bullish fair value gap there on the, what is that, the 5-minute chart? If it's going to hold anyways.
Well, here's hoping. Now that I went long, it's gonna reverse now and give me that pullback I wanted. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop loss down to 20. I want a good 20-point stop loss on this one.
So erase that potential fair value gap, but doesn't really mean anything at the moment. They do that. That happens a lot.
Down $35, $60, 75. Oh yeah, this is gonna kill me now.
Hold it.
Oh, I'm getting
Hold
it.
it.
Oh, and I'm out. So I just took a losing trade of $110, I think.
Oh, that's a little bit bigger for you than normally.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Kind of one thing I've been thinking about looking at is ATR, average true range. And that just kind of gives you a little bit better idea as to how much the price moves per candle kind of idea.
Yeah.
It'll kind of help you set your stop losses. Lots of wicks on ES at the end, MN midnight open price. And the 200 EMA holding it down.
Oh, see, now's the movement that I wanted.
Yeah, grab that. Wicked it up.
So I got one trade, one loss for the day. I'm going to give myself one more trade. If it's a winner, I'll continue from there. If it's a loser, I'm done for the day. Not risking more than $200 today.
I ended up trying along here on YM also now at the 42 area on this bounce, but if we start printing a red candle again, I'll probably just cut this pretty quick.
I dig it.
It's definitely like that hold, that wick there. Okay, we're getting a little bit into profit now. 13 points.
All right. I'll be back. I'm hitting the head.
I'm just going to put my stop in there. 1 point in profit. Let's see if we can't hold this level. Let it run a bit. Come on, YM. Let's go. Let's get a pump. So risk-free trade at the moment. Break even stop here. Only three micros long on YM now. See if we can't break this high. Once we get up to that high, I'll think about trailing a bit. 57 seconds left on this 5-minute candle here. Like a pretty strong closure here if we can hold this high for the last 40 seconds. There we go. Pretty nice there. We're up to $40 in profit right now. Ooh, sort of rejecting the highs there. Let's see what this next candle does here. Hopefully it doesn't just come straight back down. Oh, yeah, we're out. Wicked straight back down. So we made 228. That rejection off of almost to the I guess that would be Monday's VWAP. So this is kind of the price action we're going to get today. That's why I'm being pretty protective on these positions. Get your stop into profit as soon as possible. What do you got here? Taking the high here again on YM now. Too bad we got stopped out on that one. Yeah, YM's taking the high there. So any entry down at the 47.20 area would have been a pretty nice area to get in. No FOMO though. Hey, we got 12 viewers,
FOMO?
6 in YouTube, 1 in Nick's YouTube, and 5 in your X channel.
My X channel seems to be doing a lot better than my YouTube.
Yeah. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been when I make the titles, I put your name first on your channels.
Why would you do that? That's silly.
Well, because it's your channel. So
All right,
we should
a little pullback on YM. I'm sorry, what's that?
You should make some thumbnails, and if you share the thumbnails, we can always put the thumbnail in for your channel. You know what I mean?
Cool. I'll
Rather
get
than-
on it.
Then it looks like my channel, right? So
Yeah, I dig what you're saying.
yeah. Nano Bananas is really good for that, and you can get a bunch of free ones.
Nano bananas. That sounds fun.
Yeah, and then if you have like a picture of yourself, you can use your picture and then upload it, and then you can ask it to design something, and it actually uses your picture. You know, it's very accurate by using your picture. Whereas, like, if you use ChatGPT, it will give you an image that sort of looks like you. So, Nano Banana is a little better for that. I did take that YM long. It got up in about $25 in profit, and then ended up reversing back down to my stopped out at $2.28 in profit. So
All right. Well, it's you made $2.28. I just lost $110. So
yeah, I was hoping for continuation, but it seems like we're kind of hitting a bit of a roadblock up here.
yeah, now it's just time to sit and wait
Yeah.
for a little longer.
Yeah, I was hoping to get some more expansion there, but
But you know what? It's 10:30 on FOMC day. I don't even know if I'm going to be taking another trade right now.
yeah,
Look at the MES. Oh, wow.
a couple of nice bullish for value ups. Eh?
Yeah. Got some big ones.
Next trade view. That is good.
Go to your indicators. What is Austin's new anchored VWAP? I know he put it out.
I haven't seen it. I mean, I heard
Um,
them talk about it, but I don't. Is it free?
Yep.
Really? So I'm just looking at your chart. So what time frame is that on?
That is on, hold on, let me, 5 minute.
And that's a ES?
MES.
MES. Oh, okay. Because I'm looking at MES and I don't really see those same fair value gaps.
I don't even know. Why are these in here? Nephew Sam, fair value gap.
Yeah, it's you're not that you're not using the right indicators. Just when I bring up MES here, I'm just not seeing on the 5 minute the same sort of price action. Is your price isn't even moving, actually? Is it?
What's going on? Yeah, it's moving. Oh, wow. So I hit MES and it pulled up Morningstar US Energy Sector Cap.
Okay, that's why. Yeah, I'm like, what's going on here?
Yeah,
Like, I
I'm
don't see your
glad I
price
didn't
moving
start
very
trading
much.
that. There we go.
There you
That's
go.
better.
Yeah, that looks more like it. I'm
Yeah.
like, what's going? This looks a little off to me.
So lesson learned, when you're switching between charts, make sure you're on futures and not on stocks.
Yeah. I was like, man, that looks a little like substantially different from my chart.
Yeah, that was not even close.
I wonder if it'd even let you take a trade on that because the futures like put an order there or not. Maybe, eh?
It will on my
Might be.
personal accounts. I don't think it
Oh,
will
yeah.
on a prop account.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's bouncing off of midnight.
Yeah. NQ or YM is back to previous day low, value area low.
So this is the area where Arbucci's taking a long on YM.
He probably won't enter until he gets a fair value gap in the direction he's looking for, a pullback to a fair value gap. So, and it looks like we still only have the two down at 47.673. He doesn't really trade YM, but it is looking the best today for price action. I didn't look at M2K is also looking pretty good. Russell 2000, similar to YM.
I'm not pulling that up.
No,
I just pulled up the YM for the first time. I'm not. No.
Yeah.
Let me watch this price action for a little bit before I start bouncing all over Hell's Half Acre.
Yeah. I was just curious because Luke. I haven't seen Luke in a while, but he was always trading options on the Russell 2000. So IB just set.
There's that bounce on ES.
Yeah, held the overnight view up.
Held the overnight and the New York, or stayed above New York.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice having two screens again.
Did we just get crude oil? Crude oil, yeah, crude oil is coming up here in a few seconds, I think.
All right, so I'm staying flat.
Not a huge market mover, but it might a bit.
I don't like trading during news
Yeah, you never know.
of any
Next,
type.
next is a rate decision. After that, not for a few hours though. So shorts looking like they might come into play on MESA if you get a little bit of a crossover here.
If it crosses over that New York, yeah, I wouldn't be looking at longs right now.
I was just thinking it looks like your red channel might be turning green here if we get a push down. We do have that one bullish fair value gap below, and that's also just below the previous day low. But that channel doesn't really move until you get the candle closure, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a candle closure.
Wow. EIA gasoline inventories, they thought it was going to be 2.043 million, and it's actually 6.397 million. So gasoline usage is up, I'm guessing. Don't really know how to read
That's
that
what I
always.
assume. So that ASFX, the new one, is
Yeah.
automatic VWAPs and key levels is the new one.
Nice.
So that will automatically put your VWAP level to New York. Oh, yeah.
That's ASFX A2 VWAP Lux Algo.
Yep. Yeah, this is too many indicators for me right now.
Yeah, I popped it on there for a sec just to check it out. Okay, so that's that black line is
Start day.
from midnight, I guess? No.
No, I think that's previous day. I haven't messed with this indicator at all.
Yeah, I'll have to check this out at some point. Turn it off for now also. There we go. We're starting to push lower here. Broke the New York there pretty strong.
YM's dropping, ES is dropping. NQ is dropping. 15 here. Oh yeah, NQ is in a pretty solid downtrend right now.
Yeah, I entered short there on that closure of the candle there. I'm just kind of shooting for, what do we got for orders below here? This isn't an eval. I'm just kind of shooting for somewhere down at the lows here, 34 basically. So how many points is that?
You're on ES right now?
Yeah, on ES, looking for 7 points to the downside here. On 2 micros. If it bounces up, we have this bearish fair value gap and previous day low. I might consider adding like one more contract if we bounce up a little bit there.
Sorry, I'm doing on the fly tutorials here.
Yeah, no worries.
So when you click on this, pull that arrow, the drop down arrow.
Today's
goes
a
to
good day.
December contracts. Yeah, I mean, it's not like there's a whole lot going on. MESZ is December contract. Now you have your VWAP.
All right, Keith, you take care. Yeah, Darren, you're right
See you
about
tomorrow,
the
Keith.
slam. Up, down.
Oh yeah, Darren, you were definitely correct on that. CVD on MES is negative 1,700 right now.
Yeah.
Oh, it just
Yeah,
looked
this
like,
is
yeah, it looks like
running
steps
pretty nice.
going down on the book map.
Oh yeah. We got these orders at 37. Let's see what happens here when we take these try to take these orders. Oh, right through it. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I'm stopping, bringing my stop down here in the money. There we go.
Nice.
I'm out there. Lock that in. Once I saw it rip right through those orders, I'm like, okay, yeah. Once you get that kind of momentum, it's usually a good idea to capture.
Get the hell out. Take your money and run.
Because, sometimes it'll do that and then it'll just bounce right after. So, which account was that? That's E4002. So $45 on that trade, nicely. On
Nice.
two minis or micros, sorry.
$45 in what, less than a minute?
Let's see here. What time? How long was that? That's the only thing that I like about Project X is it like shows your orders really easily. But let's see here. Orders.
I just took a short on YM.
Yeah, that was a 2-minute short or 2-minute trade there.
Short on YM. I am
Nice.
Yeah, closing it. That was $20. I'll take it.
Chip back at that earlier one.
My $110 loss for the day. Boo.
Yeah.
Excuse me. What is it, 68.30? Oh, yeah. This is the book map.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, 68.30 at the lows.
There's so much information in here that you and then worry about the book map. I've been doing the book map now for 9 months. Barely scratching the surface. So
Yeah, just basically look to see where the orders are, right? That's a good way to start.
Darren does things is actually quite a bit better with the book map than I am. It was Darren who told us to switch over our orders from 1 to 50 on ES, right? Was that you, Darren?
It was Justin.
That was Justin?
Yeah, I think it was Justin. Yeah. And we printed a red sell ball there. 222 contracts at 68.37.
IM is just got rejected off that New York VWAP.
Yeah. And a couple bullish fair value gaps there too, right?
Yeah, and that's the second rejection. So let's see what this does. Been a long on YM.
I like it. I'm in there also, actually.
Got my sell stop down at 652.
I'm trailing this one already in profit.
Hey,
10
hey,
points.
hey.
There we go. I'm
I
out.
just pulled my stop loss into profit. I'm up $70 so far. 75,
Nice.
65, 70. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold this one for a minute.
Yeah, it's looking pretty strong. Nice bounce off the New York plus that fair value gap. You got previous day low and value area low at 47,720. So be a little aware of that level.
Stop loss up again. I'm up 125 in profit. Hey, I made back my loss. Look at that. 145
Nice. There
in
you go.
profit, 155.
Coming up on that value area.
Wait, see what it does with this value area high. And if it starts to pull back, I'm just going to close it. I got my finger on the close button right now. And it broke through it. I'm up 180.
Yeah. Just took it.
Move
Yeah.
my stop loss up again. 185, 190. And I'm out. 150
Nice.
bucks.
Beautiful. There you go.
All right. Not a bad trade.
First win on the YM.
First one. Hold on one.
Oh, no. That's not true.
Yeah, I'm not mad about that trade.
Yeah. Actually, that wasn't your first win because you took that $20 winner earlier, right? So I
Yeah,
was thinking about that. So,
just chipping away at it.
Yeah.
But I
that
got
was
rid of
your first.
all my red in my book today, so
Nice. And still going. Look at that. Up to 35 now.
I'm happy with 150 bucks. I'm good with that.
Oh, yeah. No complaints for sure.
I will not complain about
Yeah, all three indices pop in. YM and ES look better than NQ right now. Still.
I am definitely liking this price action on YM. I wish I would have discovered this 6 months ago.
Yeah, usually, like I said, usually when it trends, it likes to really move that direction, whatever it's doing, right? But it does reverse pretty fast sometimes, sort of like gold does, right? When gold decides it's gonna do that pullback, it's
When it
substantial.
decides it's going to do it, it does it.
Yeah. So we did try to print a bullish fair value gap there, and it's interesting is on the YM without the minis, there is a bullish fair value gap. It left, but then on the MYM, the wicks crossed on that last little pullback.
I see what you're saying.
So it erased that the bullish fair value gap on MYM, but YM has it. So
So I pulled up my degenerate account
Oh yeah,
on my laptop and just put in a YM long at 7:31. I'm gonna let this go
nice.
for a couple of minutes. Put a stop loss in. Right at break even here, or just above break even.
I'm in the long with you here actually on YM right now.
Are you?
Stops
All
break
right.
even. So almost stopped me out there on that little pullback. Come on, let's go, boys.
So if anybody is watching this that doesn't know, I copy trade a lot of accounts. So I do have what I lovingly refer to as a degenerate account. When I shouldn't be trading and I know I shouldn't be trading or price isn't doing what I want it to, I open up my degen account, I play with that one, and that's it. I don't trade real money with it. It's a prop account. If I get a payout from it, I do. If I don't care. But I am up
usually
$135 in this trade. So
nice. Yeah, usually you can do that with a eval, or if you have like one that has a ton of buffer. If it's a funded.
yeah, this one is this one's an eval,
Oh, nice.
which
Yeah.
I may actually pass today.
Nice. Then it won't be a degen account anymore. You're gonna have to get a new one.
Yeah, no, you can't. I can't use a funded account for a degen account. There's no way I would do that.
Yeah. No, I thought maybe you're using your degen account, the one of those ones where you like blew the equity, or not the equity, the consistency score by getting,
I did that for a
4,000.
while, and then I got so frustrated and fed up with it that I threw on a 10 mini trade on ES and just blew the entire account in 2 days. It was just like, I can't deal with this nonsense anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, so I have my degen account too, which is what I have open right now, which is on the ES here. It's up 661 in profit, but it's an eval. So
All right.
YM took the high there, hey?
It
Ooh,
sure
wow, that
did.
candle's just blasting off, man. Are you still in
Yeah,
that long?
I just added a
Nice.
mini to it.
Very nice.
I got a stop loss in. Sure where. Yeah, my stop loss is in $65 in profit, and I'm up 250, 245 on it right now. 275, 335. I'm moving my stop loss up to 150 in profit. So no matter what, I make 155 bucks on this. So I'm either going to be making a little bit of money or possibly a lot of money, depending on how this next candle prints.
Yeah.
Don't be a bitch. Turn around. Thank you. High a day. Stop loss being in there. Always have a stop loss. If you're trading without a stop loss, you're an idiot. This guarantees that I don't lose money today. So no matter what happens between here and here, I made 155 bucks. Once you get to that point where you're, have lock it in.
Yeah.
There's no reason not to. And if it continues to go higher like it is now, that's a bonus. You just take it and consider it a gift from the market gods. I think Dave would agree with me on that one.
Oh yeah.
Made 155 bucks on that one.
Beautiful.
Now the trend from the beginning of the day at 9:30 New York Open, it's been up. We've got a higher low here. The higher low is at 10:35, 10:40, prints another green candle going up, and we made a higher high here. So this little pullback toward VWAP would have been a great entry. This crossover of the midnight and New York would have been a great entry. And if you entered here, just leave it. Let it go. But now, because this is coming down, I'm going to wait for the chart to tell you it's time to go long or time to go short. This is a key level, this is a key level, and this is a key level. 743, 711, and New York VWAP. Just erased a fair value gap at 736 on my end. What you got going on there, Dave?
Not much. Just watching these guys pull back. Could potentially take a long up here if we can start looking bullish.
You still on MES?
Yeah.
The CVD has been rising. It's now only at negative 450.
Yeah, it's quite the pullback, eh?
It's a decent pullback. YM's going to start popping again, I bet. Hey, look at that. So I'm long at 47,747.
Nice.
Stop loss in at 685. You're going to mess with me now? I'm actually going to bring it up to 715. And I got my finger over the close position. I'm just going to move my stop loss to just over break even.
Good idea.
Up 55 bucks on this one. 75, 55, 70. It's just bouncing around right now.
Yeah, I'm in YM long also right now.
All right.
Yeah, I'm actually out. What did I do there? Made $100.
Nice.
That's in. I took that in my 150K eval. I got that one. It's up almost 3,000 now, so 1/3 of the way to passing it. I'm trading
on that one.
Nice, beautiful. Yeah, I'm trading the I trade the Y, like the big contracts on that account. The YM.
Yeah, this
big
degenerate account. I'm not trading micros on it.
Yeah. Well, good thing I took profits there.
Yeah, right.
Would have been losing money now.
Yeah, I need to call Tom Hartman and tell him thank you for this midnight VWAP indicator.
Is that his last name? Tom Hartman?
Yeah, from Traders Post.
Yeah.
After I don't know if it was a podcast or one of the days I was on Price Action Live, he ended up making this indicator like 20 minutes after we were done, and then sent me a message. Oh, I made an indicator based on our conversation. I'm like, what?
Nice.
Oh, it took an hour. All right.
So what time is market open for you in Detroit?
9:30.
Okay. Because it's East Coast. You're pretty East Coast.
East Coast time.
Gotcha.
Ooh. Now, if this YM prints is another higher low, and then we start getting a little bit of strength and pull back up, I'm going to look for another long. If it breaks down below this level here at 65, I'm going to wait and see what it does. So that VWAP, if it rejects off it and goes back up, I'm going to start looking at longs. If it breaks through it, I'm going to start looking for shorts. If you're above VWAP, generally you're going long. If you're below VWAP, generally going short. At least the way I trade. Dave does it a little bit differently. Zach Arbucci does it differently. And there's not any one really correct way to do it. It's a lot of it has more to do with trade management than anything else. It's manage your risk, manage the trade while you're in it. And if you can learn how to do those two things, you'll get consistently profitable.
Darren said, Nick, I have a VWAP and orb indicator if you want that too. We'll post it in Discord.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you.
Ooh, yeah. That was quite a pullback, though, from the highs of the YM there, hey?
Mm-hmm.
See what happens when we get into this fair value gap here. 47,675. See if they make another higher low here.
Printing another bullet. Well, no, it's gone. Never mind. Josh, you see how we have a high here and a high here?
Yeah. See
So higher, higher high, and then got a low here. This was a low, a higher low. See if this one stays above that level as well. As long as you're printing higher highs and higher lows, you're still on a bullish trend.
Nice, Darren. Yeah, I was just about to ask you if you ended up taking the short because you said something about you're thinking to short at the New York VWAP. And here we are heading down to the lows on that ES. So I was like, if you got in there, you're doing good right now. Heck yeah.
Up 830 for take profit. Excuse me.
You're almost there. It's like it wicked down to 33.
Oh, yeah. This is a real strong movement downward. Got lower lows, lower high here.
450 on the day if TP hits. Nice. Yeah, that's great. Oh, 150 across 325K is sweet. Nice. Taking advantage of that copy trading power.
That's how you make your money, boo-boo. Sorry, I'll shut up now. So do you have your daily dad joke?
You know what? I think I do. Let's see. Where did my dad joke list go?
Oh, no, you have a list? I heard a great transgender joke that isn't offensive.
Oh, yeah?
It's actually, like, cute. Why did the transgender man only eat salads? Because he was a herbivore.
Because he was a herbivore.
A herbivore.
Why did the tomato turn red?
I don't know.
Because it saw the salad dressing.
Wah, wah, wah.
It's a pretty bad one.
I did like my transgender joke. It's non-offensive and just cute. Just cute.
So it's still a challenge. Got 270 is to make still to be eligible for 3 payouts and take a 2K is at payout. Okay, nice. So you're getting pretty close, Darren. Nice. A couple more trades, like one more trade like that, or 2 more trades like you just did, and that payout's coming.
See this rejection off of VWAP here? So I'm just going to wait for this to print. Don't buy when it's, you don't go long when it's dropping. It's like catching a falling knife. You don't go short when it's rising. It's like putting your hand on a Roman candle. It's just not something you want to do.
Morning, Dad.
Mr. Stewart.
Woke up a little bit late again, I see. Those late nights up partying.
Drinking on a Tuesday. I like it. Darren says it's been trading slow, not many max profit days, but taking 20 to 50 profits and keeping the account ticking over. Yeah.
Perfect. It's the way to go.
I've said it before. I'll probably say it another 300 times. If you're in a rush to get payouts, you're not getting payouts. See how much green you got there? This is where I'm going long.
Yeah, I tried to get in that why I'm long there, but now I feel like I'm chasing it. It left my order in the dust.
Yeah, I just went in long at 748, and I got my stop loss just above that to cover costs and commissions.
Nice. Yeah, that's basically where I was trying to get in, but I was like a second too late, and then it was up at 60. So I'm like,
So I made $10 on that one. Covered my costs and commissions.
Yeah.
My fees.
I'm in a duck race right now on Zach's channel. Let's see.
Arbucci or
Arbucci, yeah.
Arbucci.
I gotta check Blue Guardian here. Still haven't got that account in there. Let's see if it's
Really?
there now. Yeah.
Is that one of the ones
still
that you won?
Yeah, I won this.
Where did you
account.
win that?
That was on Zach Arbucci's channel. Prop for match.
All right.
I'm gonna follow up with prop for match today because it's been. Well, actually, today's the last day. They said 3 to 7 business days, so it was last Wednesday I won it. So maybe I should just wait till tomorrow, or I can just say it today, I guess, because it was Wednesday last time. So.
Hit MYZ. MYM. December contract. You got a good setup there. All right. Change that over to a 5 minute. For every 1 minute you spend on for every minute you spend on a 1 minute chart, it actually takes 7 minutes off your life. So we got a fair value gap on YM right now. Missed your take profit by 2 points. Did you close it out, Darren?
No way, that sucks, unfortunately. Damn. You gotta that old saying, don't be a D for a T, don't be a dick for a tick. Usually when I get that close to my my TP, I end up throwing my stop in there just to guarantee.
Ah, cool. You got $50 out of it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, nice. Yeah, don't let that thing go all the way back to a full round trip. That sucks. So that's the worst feeling though, is when you get edged on those orders like that, unless it's your stop loss. YM's now taking the high, hey? That 48 long was real sweet. 50 points higher already. Oh, looks like we lost Nick. Oh, you covered a bunch of it, but stopped out break even on the balance. Yeah, it's quite the bounce there. Yeah, for sure. I mean, good on you to make sure you locked in some profits, right? Of course. Wow. ES is going pretty strong right now too, hey? Right up to the 200 EMA. Find a little bit of resistance there. Ooh, look at that rip. Holy. All the way back up to the almost to that high with the sell off there. Hey Nick,
Hey,
welcome back.
thanks. It's
Had
good
a
to
little internet shutout.
be back. It's good to be back, man. Had a little interwebs interference here. I'm glad I wasn't in a trade.
Yeah. You know, in China they have that social score. Like they put social scores on people now. And if like I just saw this thing, and if you like jaywalk, they like take social score away from you. Like they literally scan your face, take your credits away from you. And if you don't have good credit, you can't have internet and you can't buy plane tickets, stuff like that. It's pretty crazy.
I mean, is this actually true?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
They'll
I honestly, I've gotten to the point where I don't believe anything anymore about really anything. If
Yeah.
it sounds ridiculous, I just tend to go, maybe.
Well, they're communists, right? So
I mean, they're really not, but
no.
I mean, they call themselves communists, but they are not communists.
Yeah.
They're sure as shit not socialists. Got that YM fair value gap that this is coming back down toward again. I'm tempted to take another long, but this is at high a day.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pushing up and up and up.
You know what? I think I might be done for the day. Up a couple $100 on FOMC day. I don't feel like I really need to be trading this that much.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm working too hard on my day off. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, Boyajian was on Traders Post today on
Oh, nice.
Price Action Live.
Yeah.
Are Bucci still streaming? Yep.
Yep.
Dude, that guy, I swear, he is online 100% of the time.
Right.
You know what? I am going to take this. No, I'm not. Never mind. I was thinking about taking another long on YM. Oh, I should have. Figures.
Starts going.
Yeah, it started to. You know what? I think I'm going to. Hey, Zar, how's it going? I think I am going to cut out of here now because
Yeah.
I feel like I should quit while I'm ahead. You know what I mean?
No doubt, right? It is FOMC. Have you been trading, Zar, or did you take the day off today?
Zar's probably up 500 grand right now. He took a SPY zero DTE SPY option and sold it back for 3% of what he, or bought it back for 3% of what he got it for.
$317.
That's what I get for second guessing myself there. Just went up 30
yeah.
points before I wanted to get into it.
Yeah. Just ripping right now.
Just printed another fair value gap too. Wow.
Yeah, I got a small green day today. Well, not too small, 328.
That's a good day.
Yeah. And yesterday was a little bit red, but it ended up being $11 profit. So,
All right. So 2 green days in a row?
4 in a row. Yeah. Sunday till Wednesday now. 427 Sunday, 780, 768 Monday, $11 Tuesday, and now 328 Wednesday. Bear in mind that some of these I do have my evals in there also, so I'm just tracking it all.
I'm not
just for the viewers' sake, so they know that it's not
Oh,
all funded kind of idea. But can never miss this market. Been only taking long since the open. Caught IB low fail. Had to DCA a bit, but boy, was a squeeze great. Yeah, right. Hey. Okay, Darren, you have a good day.
Haven't traded any. Oh wait, no, I did. I put one tiny trade in on an ETF account, and that was pre-market. So getting a little pullback on YM.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I think I didn't upload one other trade actually. This one here, 45 bucks.
Downward movement, you buy as it's going up. We still got 3 minutes here before this candle closes.
E4002.
See you tomorrow, Darren. Have a good evening.
$375 actually on the day. I missed one account with 45 bucks in there. So much better week leading up to FOMC than I think last time. I think I had a pretty big loss day the day before FOMC, last FOMC.
Is that the day I lost like 20 grand with you on the live stream?
Don't remember, but I do remember that day. But which day it was, I don't know.
I remember that day too. That was
Yeah.
a great day. Lost 28 grand on a live stream with you and went, well.
Yeah. And then, but then the next day, didn't you make like 60 or something? So
Yeah.
I remember that. Like, I remember the next day you kind of came back and killed it.
Yeah, it was either the next day or the day after that.
Mm-hmm.
I remember closing that trade and then the next morning just walking on the beach in the rain going, okay, I lost 28 grand. I'm going to start a new day fresh.
Gotta reset.
Oh, yeah. Resetting is necessary sometimes. All right. Well, David, I'm out of here.
Yes, sir.
It
Sounds
is
good.
11:30. It is past quitting time.
No doubt. Yeah. I'm kind of
You,
leaning that direction too.
I'm assuming you're streaming tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Then I will see you at around 9:15.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Czar. Bye, Darren.
See you guys. See you, nephew. All right, guys. Well, not sure I'm going to be taking any trades here either. Also thinking about wrapping it up. It is, again, it's a pretty risky day, although it's been pretty clean relative to some other FOMC weeks anyways. Not too wild. Ton of wicks on the 5-minute chart on the ES. NQ looking a little bit more of clean on the body closures. But yeah, I think it's probably a good idea to wrap it up here. Like I said, I am decently green on the day. 375 in profit, 93.75% win rate today. So yeah, you're maybe not interested to trade in the FOMC tonight, Czar? Yeah, volume's kind of drying up here a bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna also call it here. Just play it safe, lock in the greens that we have so far. Hopefully you guys are doing good. How was your day there, Terrence? Did you take any trades today? And yeah, just say what's up to everybody else. Live, Live Your Purpose earlier was on. Terrence, Darren, Aldo, Keith was here, and obviously Czar and my dad. Good to see you guys all. I had you lost 56. Okay, I mean, hey, that's a reasonable. You kept it tight, anyways. So yeah, tomorrow's another day. You know, with this kind of price action, can be pretty challenging with lots of choppiness. Other than this last, you know, since we held this low here at 68.36, those have been the cleanest candles here. 1, 2, 3 to 5 candles in a row now. But yeah, volume's dying out here, so it's probably a good time to walk away for a bit. Yeah. Hey, you're welcome, Czar. Thanks for checking in and hanging out. So yeah, we'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. roughly for market open. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Stay green, take it easy. Avoid that FOMC unless you got, you know, a single eval you'd want to risk to try to try to pass it or something. Not financial advice, but so I know some people do that. So as long as you're allowed to trade news on your evals, but yeah, good job keeping it tight today, guys. And we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I had some truck issues last night, so I ended up getting to bed pretty late. I had to get my truck towed to the dealership. It was losing oil, so I don't know what the heck's going on, but got it towed to the truck or to the dealership, and I was up a little later than I should have been. So I'm actually thinking to go back to bed for a little nap here, so catch up on a little sleep. So okay, guys, take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.